In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fund and set up your wallet using different exchanges and getting that wallet and your SOL over to platforms like BullX, GMGN, and Novabot. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and install Phantom Wallet. It's pretty much best out there. It's what everyone uses. It's, I believe, the most secure. It requires two-factor authentication, secure recovery phrase, and things like that. I don't know if it has higher fees or not. There's a few other wallets out there, I believe, that provide better fees or better staking, but they are less secure. So that is up to you what you want to do. You can just Google those. But this is pretty much the go-to for everyone. So if you go to phantom.app/download and make sure you're on the right browser. I use Chrome, but you can use Firefox or Brave or whatever. And then you can just click add to Chrome here. So we'll go ahead and add this extension. And we can actually bookmark this extension. So it's just in the top of your browser wherever you go. And then we are going to go ahead and create a new wallet. Or if you already have a wallet, you can enter your secret recovery phrase here, which I will go over next. So we'll go ahead, create a password, confirm your password. Remember to keep this somewhere safe. And remember, this is funds going into here. So just make sure it's strong and you know what it is. It then is going to give you a secret recovery phrase next. So once you agree to the terms of service, here is your secret recovery phrase. This you need to keep somewhere safe. If you lose access to your wallet, let's say your computer breaks or you buy a new computer and, the extension's now gone, you have to re-download the extension on your new computer, you're going to need the secret recovery phrase in order to access your wallet. Like it said in the beginning there, it said, if you already have a wallet, click that and you would enter the secret recovery phrase as opposed to your password. So you can reset this or not, but keep this somewhere safe. I usually keep it with my other important documents, such as like birth certificate, social security card, things like that. So write it down, keep it somewhere safe. You don't want to lose it in case you still have funds in your Phantom wallet. So next, we are going to go ahead and fund our wallet with Solana. So in order to do this, if you are in the USA, it's a little bit harder to do. So a lot of other countries, they can just buy through platforms pretty easily. However, we have to go through all our little regulations. So you're going to need to set up an account through Coinbase, or it has to be US.Binance, not just regular Binance. I believe those are the two platforms. I think, Robinhood's out there now too, so that's fortunate. But if you go ahead and set up an account through one of these platforms, you can just click sign up or sign up here. And both these platforms, they're going to ask for your personal information. So they're going to ask for your first name, last name, I believe your social security number. They'll ask for an ID, so your driver license or your passport. And then they'll do a little facial recognition test with you to create your account. So once you go through all that, your account is created. You can then go ahead and we will fund the wallet. So what you would do first, let's say you create a Coinbase account, Binance will kind of be the same. So will Robinhood. You can basically Google how to transfer funds into those platforms, but you would go ahead, link up your card or your bank account with whatever platform you signed up with. I believe it goes through that right away in the beginning. Once you have it linked up, on Coinbase here, you can select buy, sell, convert. It's pretty easily done. They also do have advanced Coinbase now too. Their fees are really too ridiculous to trade on here, I believe. But that is up to you. So I will just click off of there. But if you're just on the basic version of Coinbase, we can just go over to My Assets. You can click buy. You can actually place a limit order. Let's say SOL's at 270 and you think it's going to go down to 230. So you could say, I want to buy $100 of SOL. Let's select the right coin here. So you'd select whatever coin you want to buy. That's when I'm going to buy $100 of SOL. So you could do a limit order there if you want to get it at the cheapest price possible, if you think it's going to go down. If you want to do just a one-time order, you can do that. Or if you want to DCA, dollar cost average, into things, so you're just automatically putting funds daily into a certain crypto, you can kind of think of this as like putting funds into a retirement account or something almost. If you think crypto is going to continuously go up for the stable coins and you just want to kind of invest, this is always a good method just to kind of set it and forget it. Like put $100 a month in here or something. You can do daily, weekly, whatever it may be. And you can choose like Bitcoin or Sol or something like that. That's just a simple, really easy way to invest, as long as you think the assets aren't going to go down over the next 10 to 20 years or so. So we could go ahead and do a one-time order if we're looking to get our Sol fast. So we'll make sure we select Sol here. You can just type that in. And we will go ahead. I want to buy $100. You'll see my checking account's already hooked up here. You can click review order, and then you just hit buy now. So you can also, through all these platforms, they'll have staking. Phantom has staking as well. You just kind of want to Google the best rates if you want to stake. And staking means you'll receive a 6% yield on that per year. It will be held until certain days. So there's 5-day unstaking waiting time. So if you needed Solana right away, you have to wait a certain amount of days before you can get it. So that's something to keep in mind. But you can earn certain percentages if you do stake coins. And each coin has a different return. So that's something you can take a look at as well. Let's say we bought our Solana. We are now going to transfer the Solana into our Phantom wallet. So I actually don't have any assets in here right now, but let's pretend this is Solana and not Ethereum. So we're going to go ahead and click send, and Binance will also look something similar. Their platform's just set up differently. We're going to go ahead and copy our Phantom wallet address. So this is just an empty account I have set up. So you can have multiple accounts here, depending on what you want. So if I need to make another wallet, I can create a new account with a different wallet address. So this is why you'll see a lot of smart traders have multiple wallet address, or they're hard to find, or they transfer funds, or, so that's a whole game in itself. You can connect your hardware wallet here. I believe Ledger is the best in the business. So if you just go to Ledger, if you're looking to store like long-term crypto, and you're going to keep this absolutely somewhere safe, if there's a lot of money on it, you can use Ledger. You can buy it through here. I think you can even buy it through Amazon now. I can't remember. But it's how you can physically store if you were holding, like, let's say a lot of Bitcoin or ETH or something like that. They have staking as well, as you can see and stuff, but that's just staking, something you want to do if you have a lot and you're not going to access it for a long period of time, I would say. So let's go ahead and we're going to send crypto to our Phantom wallet. So here are all the different chains. So as you can see, we have Bitcoin, we have Polygon, we have Base, we have Ethereum, we have Solana. So for each one of these chains, you don't want to be sending Ethereum to the Solana network. We're not bridging here or anything like that. We're sending Solana to Solana. We're sending ETH to ETH. Just click the Solana, hit copy. And actually, I have ETH up, so I would have to click ETH so I don't get an error message. But you actually used to not get error messages, and it would just send and disappear forever. So at least they have that now. If you used to send Solana to like your ETH chain, which a lot of people did in the beginning because people didn't really know this world, you would never see the money and it would just disappear basically. So, but here it is. So we can select the Ethereum network. You will have a Solana fee as well. So you can see the estimated fee for transferring this money to my wallet is 70 cents on ETH. It's not going to do that because I don't have enough, but you can hit like max here. So yeah, because we need that fee transfer, the gas fee. And then you just hit preview and there will be a send button. And then you should see it appear in your Phantom wallet here. So you can also purchase directly in the Phantom wallet. You can just go to buy. You can click Solana, and then you can select amount, however much here, and then go ahead and select the platform you want to purchase through. Like I said, with any of these platforms, you will have to set up an account with them, and they will likely require verification, ID, social security, facial recognition, stuff like that. So keep that in mind. I've used like MoonPay before, but my bank doesn't like them. So I don't know if you have to go directly in your bank to be like, hey, it's okay that I purchase crypto. Coinbase, Robinhood, they're probably okay with, but some of these other platforms, it just doesn't go through because, I don't know, they're foreign or something. So you'll go ahead, select the platform, put in your money, and just hit buy, and then you'll just have it directly in your Phantom wallet ready to go. Coinbase, if you're looking to buy a coin like Trump right away, and there was millions transactions or people that wanted to buy, for trying to buy, Coinbase was super slow. Like I heard some people were a day behind getting their Solana just trying to buy Trump. So if there's ever a coin like that again, just make sure you have some backup, I would say, on hand in a different wallet, whether it's like 500 bucks or 1,000 bucks or, whatever it may be in case that does happen again. US, as of now, is with all the regulations and things like that, our platforms are not as good as I would say compared to other countries. They can basically use any platform and get their crypto relatively quick, while we're stuck with certain platforms like Coinbase or not even regular Binance. And Coinbase, like I said, when Trump came out, some people were delayed up to a day of getting their crypto just because, I don't know, Coinbase said it was going to take that long. Who knows what was going on Coinbase end, but beware of that. So let's say we have our crypto here. We are good to go and it's transferred. We can go to our wallet manager in BullX and we can actually create a new wallet. And this one is also going to have a secret recovery phrase. So I'm going to delete this wallet, but I'll just show you guys. So you'll get something like this for your wallet recovery phrase, right? So you can copy these private keys and put them somewhere safe, just like you did with your Phantom wallet. Make sure you have these in case anything bad happens, in case you lose access to this computer somehow and your Phantom wallet's gone. So you'll copy those private keys, write them down, keep them somewhere safe. But then we can actually go ahead, we can copy this wallet address and we can send it. So let's say I have money in here. I want to send Solana to this wallet address in BullX, which is this 3DY one. And I want to send the max amount. You'll hit next and then you'll hit send. So, and then it will be over in BullX here. And then, hey, you can just start trading right on BullX's platform. I'm just going to archive these for now, since you guys saw the secret recovery phrase. Same with GMGN here. You can just go here and hit copy wallet address. And there is your wallet. And we will do the same thing. Pretend there's funds in here. We will go ahead, click send, paste in that wallet address, which is still BullX, you'll notice. Is that? Oh, no, it's not. So just make sure, the first few characters are right along with what's over here and the last few. So you can see that there, and I'll delete this wallet right afterwards, but this is kind of a dummy account. So you can see all of that there. The funds will be transferred once you hit next and send on Phantom. And then you will be able to see all your funds right in your My Wallet right here. Let's say we wanted to transfer the Solana into Novabot. There's other bots out there too. I just believe Novabot's the best. You instantly hooks up through BullX. I believe it's like click.nova you can download, and there's like a Chrome extension. And you'll just have a bunch of buy now buttons that pop up. But Novabot is by far the quickest and best. If you guys need a link to get it, I believe they do require an access code, but I have one down below if you guys do need a link to get it. So once you click that link, you can go ahead and basically it'll give you 3 wallets to start with here. And you can transfer your Solana into any one of these wallets. So just hit copy. You'll see text copied to clipboard. You can then go back to Google Chrome or whatever and hit your Phantom wallet and just do the same thing like we did with Coinbase. So you can just copy that in there, hit send, hit Solana, send this over, put the max amount, next, and then you can hit send. That's how you would transfer to Novabot if you're using a bot on Telegram or something. And I will go over more about Novabot in later videos. It's just a lot to go through. They have a lot of cool features that hook up with BullX. If you guys have questions or want any more how to do certain thing videos, please let me know. Comments below and hit subscribe or like if you did enjoy this video.